beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I want to show you guys how I actually put money into my Digit account. So my birthday is coming up, so I restarted everything. So now we're starting as if this is a new year of saving. I like to go based off of my birthday because I like to feel like I accomplished something by the time my birthday comes. I like to see what I've done in an actual year. So we have $416. In my past video, we stuffed the money into the envelopes, but now we have to actually put the real money into our account. So we have to put $20 into our home, which is here. Our home challenge is here. So we'll click home challenge. It's not in there yet. So let's go ahead and click save. And let's put $20 in here. Click save. Perfect. So now we got $20 in there. They said they're going to take the money out tomorrow. So today is Monday. They're going to take it out tomorrow. So that's perfect. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now we have to put $230 into our IRA. So let's go down. Did I make the IRA fund yet? Hopefully I did. Okay, I didn't make my IRA yet. So let me show you how to make an account since we didn't make the IRA. So let's go saving for a new goal. And let's do, you can pick one of these and then edit it if you want to, but let's go ahead and create our own. So let's put IRA. And then the amount that we want to save for total is $6,000. I'm not going to put a date in at all because I don't want them to start rushing me and anything like that. So let's just put an emoji in. Let's find us emojis. A nice emoji, if I can even say it correctly. What do I think about when I think about an IRA? Let's think about like some money. I can't find one, you guys. Okay, let's just use this one here. Click save. Now we want to add $230 into this one. And don't forget, if you guys use my link down below, if you guys sign up for it, they'll give you $5 when you first start. So to start off with. So let's go ahead and click save. And you guys can just start adding money just like I'm doing now. And make sure you guys are following along so you can see how to do it too. I'm going to literally follow along with all my finances with you guys. So let's go back to the dashboard. Now we have to put $30 in our Christmas fund. Our Christmas is here. We want to add $30 here. Uh-oh. So we're going to add $30 to Christmas. Click save. Our birthdays. Let me pull out my calculator because I want to make sure I have this correct. So we put $60 into everybody, $10 into each of our accounts. But then my daughter, Princess, her birthday is actually in January. So we want to save sooner. We put $25 and then we put an additional $31 into her account. So $116 need to be in birthdays. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's put money into birthdays. $116 total and click save. Now I didn't have that much to put into my account. I only have $416 that I can save this time. Maybe I'll be able to save more next time, but that's where we're at right now. The rainy day is when they automatically take money out of my account and just put it there. So if they see random money like, hey, you got extra $5, let me show you what they look like before I just save that anything. Okay. So here it is here, you guys. Oh, these are the birthdays. If you look down here, you will see like the times where they putting money into the account. So here you go right here. They automatically on the 5th, they automatically took $10 out. On the 4th, they took $5. The 3rd, they took $10. The 2nd, they took $24. They automatically take money out of the account. And say if your account for some reason dropped below $25, they'll automatically take money out of this account and put it back in there. So I like that just in case the account ever go below a certain below that $25, or say if the account is about to be negative, instead of me getting an overdraft fee, they'll just take the money out of this account that we've been saving. We got $181 and they'll put it back into that account to make sure that we're back positive. So I'm going to just leave that there. I reset everything. I took all the money that was in these accounts. I took them all out. We're going to start brand new for our year. Our year just started, but if you guys are looking to start this, don't forget I have my challenges available. You guys can go ahead and purchase it. And also, if you guys have any questions, make sure you put them down below. And also, the link for Digit is also down below. So sign up for the challenges. Once you get the challenges, I'll actually text you that link for Digit so you can sign up for Digit, or you can just sign up for Digit separately. It doesn't matter. But let me know, do you think this is easy to actually do it this way? And then we can see too how much is in the account. So we have $20 at home right now, $116 in birthdays. Our rainy day is $181. I thought we put money into emergency. I actually skipped emergency, you guys. We did put money into emergency. Let me actually put that money in here. We got $30 here. Oh my gosh, how did I almost forget that? And if anything ever happened, let me show you how you would take money out too, just in case you guys want to take money out of your account. So go back to the dashboard. Go to rainy day. Options, withdraw. So you can withdraw a certain amount out of your account. And when I'm on my cell phone, they'll give me the option where I can take it out. I can pay like $1 and take it out right then and there, like right then and there. You don't have to wait. But if you wanted to say, go ahead and give it to me the next day, that it will be free. But you'll just go ahead and click withdraw just like we just did. And that's how you take money out. But I'll see you guys in the next video. That was all the videos for the 14th. I'll see you guys on the next videos when we're going to do more on the 28th. So I have to come back for the 28th, and that on the 28th, that's when we're going to go over our new paycheck that we're going to get, because I pay myself I pay myself on the 14th and the 28th. So we'll go over that paycheck on the 28th. So I'll see you guys then. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.